Hi and welcome to another video, and in this video I've got the brushless 18-volt DeWalt Rivet Gun, the DCF403. This machine has got a pulling force of 10,000 newtons and a 25 millimeter stroke. The machine is powerful enough to pull stainless steel and aluminium rivets. The DCF403 fastens blind rivets from 2.4 right up to 4.8 millimeters and features a tool-free piece change and a non-border piece storage. This machine also has an onboard mandrel collector. Working in dark areas, the DCF409 has got an onboard LED light that gets activated when you pull the trigger. This is the onboard mandrel collector, where all your mandrels fall in instead of picking them up on the ground. Secure, convenient storage for all your nozzles. The onboard LED light that is activated when you pull the trigger. And as mentioned, the tool-free piece change. So what do you get in the box? The machine, a belt clip, extra collet, an instruction manual. So let's put it to the test. I present to you a complete workshop bench. The DCF403 has performed very well. All rivets are in. For more information on this 18-volt cordless riveter, visit cibpartners.co.za. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.